European banks right now be like, I don't need a bailout, I have AI. Stocks are up, markets are smiling, and suddenly, bankers are tech bros. So what just happened in Europe's markets? What's the headline? European financial markets are rallying. And the surprise hero is, banks powered by AI. Why banks? Why now? Banks are using AI to cut costs, detect fraud faster, improve risk management, replace spreadsheets older than your grandparents' result? Higher efficiency are banks better profits, ranks happy investors? At the same time, inflation in Europe is cooling. Central banks are signaling future rate cuts. That means cheaper borrowing, more lending, better outlook for banks. AI plus friendly policy. Chiu market party. This rally isn't just about Europe. It shows how AI is reshaping old-school industries, not just Silicon Valley. If banks can reinvent themselves with algorithms, every sector is watching and taking notes. But remember, AI boosts efficiency, not miracles. Regulation, credit risks, and geopolitics still matter. So this is optimism, not a free lunch. If you want global market moves explained without boring jargon, follow Econmatrix for daily global economy updates in 30 seconds.